Hi everybody, Jake here at DmaxStore, and today we're going to be talking to you about steering gears. So here we have our all new line of DmaxStore steering gears from our 2001 to 2007 trucks, 2007 and a half, 2010, and 2011 to 2015. So we went ahead and saw that there was a void in the market. There was not a good quality box that was anywhere decently priced that allowed you to use your factory pitman arm even. So we came out with these 100% brand new steering gears. That's going to be across our entire line here. This one for you LB7, LLY, and LBZ guys, it is going to be a factory 3-spline sector shaft. So you'll be able to use your factory pitman arm if you need to, if you've got a low mile truck, or if you just replaced yours or upgraded it recently. No need to go spring for a whole nother pitman arm. I know that can get pricey, and this stuff really adds up when you're doing steering repairs. So if your box is bad and you need to replace it and you don't want to spend a ton of money, check out this 100% brand new one. Same thing for you LMM guys. Still a 3-spline sector shaft, so you'll be good to go and just toss the steering box in and be ready to hit the road again. And for you LML guys, again, this is also a brand new unit, so you know you're getting a quality part. It's been tested on the bench, making sure everything works properly, the input torque and the system pressure. So you know everything is going to be 100% ready to go when you put it in your truck. So along with that, you're going to get a sheet with every single gearbox that we have. It's going to be a performance test report with the system pressure against the input torque. So you'll see pass, 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 pass. Everything here has passed, and this steering gearbox is ready to put in. We do recommend flushing the system when you are changing your box. You don't want any debris kind of interfering in this and damaging either your pump or the gearbox itself. So ideally, we will run Transcend, have all fresh fluid in there after you're doing a full flush. In addition to being a 100% brand new unit, which is something that I really look for in buying parts, whether it's injectors, steering gearboxes, or anything else of the like, I want to make sure that I'm getting 100% brand new parts. I don't want a steering gearbox that's been through 200,000 miles of abuse already. As we know, these trucks last a long time, so I don't want an O-ring groove that's worn out. I don't want a sector shaft that's worn out. And who knows if they're actually replacing that stuff. And I don't really feel like replacing my steering gearbox every 90 days or few months. So I want to make sure that I have something that's going to be able to plug and play and work for years to come. And that's what comes with brand new parts. 90% of the time, your brand new parts are just going to be better quality than anything remanufactured. So that's what I would look for first when I am getting a new gearbox. And these are all 100% brand new. They come with a lock washer and the sector shaft nut, so you don't need to keep yours from your old one. It's going to be all brand new. Nothing's going to be fatigued. You'll make sure that pitman arm stays nice and tight on that gearbox. Now, we do have offerings for you guys from 2001 to 2015. Unfortunately, we don't have anything newer than that because they do have an electronic assist system on there, and we just don't have those offerings yet. So stay tuned for all of our DmaxStore parts. We've got a bunch more steering parts coming down the line for you guys, and this is our full range of DmaxStore 100% brand new steering gears. Thank you guys for watching our video on these Duramax steering gears today. Go ahead and check out the rest of our parts on DmaxStore.com. Follow us on YouTube at DmaxStore, and please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys later.